I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. Let's stay here, let's stay here.
Yeah, like Bali, yeah?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Yeah, Ubud Center go, you like? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, nice, yeah?
What's your name?
Me gusti.
Gusti.
Yeah. Me progress eat pokaos. Pokaos Balinese, me... Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, progress, yeah. Happy progress, yeah. Me you like pokaos, Bali. Okay. How long in Bali?
Now water coming. Yeah, too much water.
So much, like the eggplant. And the eggplant we have to find is white color and purple. Very sweet. You can serve this. Not yet. For the white rice, when we grow, only 3.5 months. The time is ready to harvest. Yeah, for the black rice, brown, red or sticky rice, they grow on 6 months. Yeah. Around 6 or 7 big square, one family the owner. After harvest, we don't sell the rice, we keep because we need a lot. For no rice, no life. No rice, no life. Yeah. And 1 square meter, we getting rice 1.5 kilogram because we have a problem by the bird. Yeah, the bird, the small one, the black bird, every morning they coming more than 20 before we harvest. They do party. They eat us have rice. Yeah, that's why we make the scarecrow from the bag, plastic flag or something to make noise. Yeah, we only scare the bird. We don't shoot the bird. Yeah, like this.
Ya, ginger lemongrass, okay. White like this. We deep fried with coconut oil until the color of the tempeh golden brown. The oil what we use today is coconut oil. Two. Also one for lunch. No tuna. Yeah.
Dolphin. That's bird.
Later you can take the chicken curry vegetarian.
Oh, the whole plate is?
But yes, you can take it this one, this one, this and this.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know that. This is vegetarian?
Same.
Oh,
Only
same.
this.
Coffee to taste more stronger than female.
Okay.
This is the luwak coffee,
Yeah.
less caffeine, more high protein, because it's already fermented. So this good for your stomach.
Okay.
Later maybe you interesting try the luwak coffee.
Yeah.
Don't worry, don't thinking about the poo. Because
Yeah,
this coffee already
it's
clean.
washed.
So all still manual process. 1 kilo roasting coffee around 1 hour until they change color like this. Do around 1 hour. So the rest I put again. We ground it again.
Okay.
So this powder all ready to use.
Okay.
Here we never use filter. This powder put directly in the cup.
Directly
and
in
hot
the
water.
cup.
Yeah. For calcium. Lemongrass tea good for skin. Mangosteen tea antioxidant. Saffron with curcuma good for immune system. Regular Bali coffee good for headache. Vanilla coffee. Mochaccino, this coffee mixed with chocolate. Coconut. Ginseng good for energy. The last one, hot chocolate.
Yum.
Enjoy your drink.
Thank you. How long does it take you to do one?